Tanya Ross of TDR Academy of Movement and Therapy. This is yet another video in our series to do with gentle movements for nerve flossing, sliding, gliding, whatever you want to call it, for the ulnar nerve. So make sure you've checked out our neurodynamic testing video, but also your self-management test for the ulnar nerve, with the previous movements as well starting to build up towards this one. Rule of thumb, no symptoms whenever you're doing the movements, keep it short, edge it back, and maybe building up to about 10. So this one is just drawing a halo. So you're going to be using you could connect finger to thumb and you're just drawing that little halo around the head. So again, it's about getting that elbow up there and just taking those movements repetitively round. Again, you could do around 10, build up to 20 over the course of the week if you're not getting any reproduction of symptoms, and make sure you do both sides. Easy, simple movement, hopefully not recreating anything otherwise go short of that movement. So maybe you don't draw as big a halo, or maybe you're not ready for this movement, maybe try the other ones. But again, I'm hoping that this will give you something that you can just use a little bit more specifically tailored in for physically mobilizing the nerve. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video, another gentle movement that you can work into. All these movements inspired by the Neu group, and yeah, hopefully they're helpful. See you soon.